What you doing? Why you didn't call? I remember you. Why you didn't call me back last time?
Girl, you don't know me.
Yeah, I do know you. You gave me your number.
Cap.
No cap.
Hey, it's DJ.
Listen here, y'all. I'm finna go on Monkey app and I'm finna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be on there and be crazy. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them. I ain't call my hair. Call my hair for what? You know what I'm saying? It's the hair not coming for me. But listen here. If you are new to the freaking channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you get notified every time we post a freaking video. Ooh. Chickadee, chickadee, and I get it on it. No, play. Oh. Hey, girl, what you doing?
Yeah, what the fuck? Is you playing them your real team?
Yeah, what you eating?
I'm eating some coffee. And
What's up, friend?
she over there being retarded. She need to take her physical.
Who?
My friend.
Where they at?
She over here on the iPad.
Oh, okay. I ain't doing nothing. Chilling. Yeah, just chilling. What you doing?
Where's beautiful? Back outside?
What you got going?
What is your teeth?
Huh?
Your teeth are ugly.
My teeth look ugly. Boy, I'm finna. Oh, child. My patience. What y'all doing? What you doing? Huh?
I think my 4 coaches out there. Yeah. So he was on the. I was using the line.
I am fed up. I am so fed up.
You from Tennessee?
Who?
You.
Nah, you is.
Because you only 10, I see.
You already know. Hey, girl.
Damn, you was cute till you open your mouth.
Not too much, really. Really, I'm...
Yeah.
No, not too much.
Ew.
Ew.
Going somewhere.
Oh, ew to you. What you doing? Nerd, why you in the dark?
Because I'm vibing, that's why I'm in.
Oh, I don't want to kill your vibe then, partner. Don't let me kill it. I wish I knew how to be real ghetto. What you doing?
Huh?
I said, what are you doing?
Ask more time. Where you from?
I'm from Arkansas. What's up?
Is your teeth really like that?
Yeah, what's up? What's going on?
Look up. That's not even a real teeth, bro.
Why? How you gonna tell me what grew out my gums? This ain't no debate. This ain't no politics. We ain't doing no debate over here.
Girl, your teeth is
But
not.
how you gonna tell me, bro? That's not your real voice. You really a woman. Oh, that's cool.
Huh?
That's cool.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What
Okay.
happened to your teeth?
I'm not even gonna go there. I'm not even gonna take it there. Cause every time I take it there, it's always a problem. What you doing? Hey! Hey! Oh, you nasty. You're nasty. Ugh. Hey, friend!
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Girl, what you... I like your hair.
Thank you.
You-
I like your water bottle. Coldest water bottle.
Already. Girl, I'm the coldest though. What y'all doing? I know you. Cause you was trying to get my number last time. Him? Yeah.
But look at your teeth. Whoa. What the? Hold on. No.
Why you didn't call me back? Why you didn't call me back?
Oh, give me money. Come, please, give me.
You what? I said, why you didn't call me?
Where you from?
I been making up. What you doing? Oh, you a gangster? Oh, you gangbanging? Oh, you a gangbanger. I don't mess with gangbangers. Are you a gangbanger? Cause I don't mess with gangbangers. Oh, okay, you got a girlfriend? Okay, hold on. What's up, sugar daddy? Sugar daddy. Where you going? Are you looking for you a sugar mama? That's you. I remember you.
Yes.
Why you didn't call me back? Why you didn't call me back? Oh, never mind. I'm glad you didn't call. Don't call me back. Don't call me. Hey, I remember you.
Oh, what? You need to brace it.
Huh?
Hey, how do you remember me?
Cause you gave me your number. Oh, shadow, buddy. Why you didn't call me back?
What?
You supposed to be calling me back because you was asking me about. Why you didn't call me?
The fuck?
The
My
fuck?
baby mama. Toodaloo.
Why you didn't call me back?
What's wrong with you, man? What the fuck?
Cause last time I talked to you, you said you was gonna call me back.
Girl, them teeth gotta be fake.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
What you doing? Why you didn't call? I remember you. Why you didn't call me back last time?
Girl, you don't know me.
Yeah, I do know you. You gave me your number.
Cap.
No cap. No cap, for real. Spencer.
Hello.
What you doing, Spencer?
How are you?
I'm good. I say, what you doing?
Just chilling. How about you?
I'm just chilling, you know what I'm saying?
God damn, them teeth.
Huh?
What the fuck them teeth doing?
I thought I was having a conversation with you, but I guess not. It be your own friends on her. It be your own friends. Hey, friend, what y'all doing?
What the? Take them out to. I know those fake. Oh God, you look good. Take them out to.
Take what out what? Why
I know
your,
the teeth fake.
your nipple itching?
Oh.
What are y'all doing? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? You got your little birthday money and you just trying to flash it? You better put that up. Or you lose your little birthday money.
Hey, what's up?
I remember you. Why you didn't call me back?
When?
The other time I talked to you.
You called me the other day.
Yeah, you said you gonna call me back.
My birthday.
Yeah. I ain't been more know that man, y'all. I ain't never seen him a day in my life. Everybody on her name Chris. What's up, Chris?
Oh, I know this girl. She's from Houston.
Chris. Why everybody named Chris?
YouTube. I should have.
Why everybody named Chris? Everybody named Chris. Everybody named Chris. Adam.
What up? top.
Why you didn't call me back last time?
Hey, why your teeth so fucked up?
Cause I gotta get some braces like you.
You fuck with them?
Yeah, they look like some train tracks. How you doing?
What's up? How are you?
Who? You did what?
What's your name?
My name Ashley. What you doing? Oh, okay. What you doing? Excuse him? He had the nerve. What's up? What you doing?
Huh?
What you got going?
About to smoke?
Okay. Well, turn up then. Okay. God, look at my hair. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. Steve-O. What you doing?
No, I'm just trying to see you shake some ass.
You trying to see somebody shake some ass?
Yeah, you.
Oh, well, good luck on that. I only got one booty cheek. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you got going? Hey, friend, what you doing? You okay? You scared me. What you looking in the camera like that for? Woo, child, let me get out of here. Okay, you guys, it's gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one. And it's Bandrunner Squad all day, every day. And I'm in, and now I'm out. Peace out, swag. All right, everybody. This right here is the answer y'all been wanting. Y'all want to know how I get so skinny. And I'm finna give you how I got so skinny. I did it right, left,